Good day everyone. So today we are going to set up our virtual machine. So first and foremost, my name is Antoinette Rose Calunya and I'm going to show you the first step on installing operating system for our virtual machine. So first we are just going to click add, which is the plus button. After clicking add, these informations will follow. As you can see, it has name, folder, ISO image, edition, type, and version. So first, let us set up the name into client. Click the ISO image and click others. Now click the downloaded version of Windows 10 Pro and then click open. Check the box of the skip unattended installation, then click next. Set up the memory based on your computer's hardware. So in my case, I'll set the Windows 10 561 and my processor into 7 gig. Click next, next, and then finish. So as you can see, the virtual machine named client has been fully configured with its system's resources, display settings, storage, and network connection. So at this stage, the VM is ready to power on and operate just like a physical computer, but isolated within our host system.
First, let's start the virtual machine that we have just created, and we wait until the Windows Setup window appears. So once it's here, just click Next, and then click Install Now. You will see applicable notices and license terms. Just tick the small box to accept the license terms, and then click Next. And for the type of installation, just choose Custom, which is for install Windows only. And then here, this is we are going to partition the drive. So the total size of the drive is 51,200 MB. Since our client, we've decided to do the 50-50 partition. So we need to divide this into two equal parts. So 51,200 multiplied by 50% is 25,600. So we'll need to change the size into 25,600. Then click apply. Then click OK. After that, click the remaining unallocated space. Then click new. Click apply. And then click format. Then click OK. Then go back to the main drive, select the second drive, then click next. Now Windows will now begin installing. So to make the installation process faster, press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. Then type task mgr to open task manager and go to the processes tab. Right click on setup.exe. Then choose Set Priority and set it to High. Click Change Priority to confirm. And same with the other one. Just right click, Set Priority to High. Then change priority to confirm. Then after that, close the Task Manager. And now we just need to wait until Windows finishes the installation. And once it restarts, we will continue the setup until the region screen appears.
Click on the region you prefer, then click Yes. For the keyboard layout, do the same, choose what you prefer. In this case, I choose the US keyboard layout and then click the Yes and skip this part and wait for a moment while it processes. Skip this part. Now let's name our PC or personal computer, and I choose mine as John. and then click the next button. Enter your password and make sure it's strong. I recommend mixing with a non-alphanumeric character. After confirming your password, choose 3 security questions in case you forgot your password. Make sure your answers are memorable but secure, and then wait for the process to continue. When prompted, click No, then Decline, and afterward, choose Accept and wait again for the process to finish. Finally, click the Yes on this part and then close this window.
Steps to change computer's name. Open File Explorer. On the left panel, right-click this PC and select Properties. In the System window, click Change Settings besides the computer's name. In the Computer's Name tab, click Change to Rename. In the Computer Name field, type the new name, for example Jan, to identify it as a client. Click OK 3 times to confirm and close the window. A prompt will appear asking you to restart now or restart later. Then choose Restart Now to apply changes immediately. When the server restarts, the login screen will appear the new name John.
I am Trisel Matinday and I will demonstrate the section on network sharing. First, go to Settings and search for Manage Advanced Sharing Settings. Now, change the sharing options. As you can see, these options are turned on. Let's turn them off. Next, enable the file sharing. For the last option, do not change it. Keep password protected sharing turned on. Then save changes. Then next, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Then click to open. Then choose Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. As you can observe, all the options are turned on. Let's turn them off. Then once you are done, then click OK. Then that's all.
Good day, sir. My name is Angeli Malima, and my part is creating a new server. So first, just click the new, then name it server, then click this ISO image, then other, then click this Windows Server 2019, then click open, then check this skip unattended installation, then click next. Here in my hardware, I put the base memory in 2048 MB and the processor 5. Then click next, then next, then click finish. And that's all for creating the server.
So in here, just choose a server and click start and just wait for a while. It will take for a second. And here we go. We can see the VirtualBox 7.0, and that was for our virtual machine for Windows 10. Alright, so just wait for a second. It will take for a while till it load up. We can see a window right here. Alright, and in here we can see the Windows Server 2019, and just leave what it is, and just click next, install, and just wait till it load up again. Here we go. So in here, we can see the different option. Just click the second one and times 64 and just click next. Alright, so in here, just click I accept and then next and then custom and click and new. Alright, so in here we can see the 51200. Just multiply it by 0.70 and here we go. We have 35840. Just sit on that one here and click apply and okay. Alright, so in here, for the third option, just click format or format and click new and hit apply. Click the second one and then next and just wait till it load up. And here we go. So in here, go to process, click that set.exe and set as high. So in here, just do the same. Click setup.exe, change as high and change setup. And here we go. Just wait till it load up and it will take for a while again. Alright, so just wait till it will be completed and here we go. Alright, we can see here that it is currently loading up and here we go. We can see the VirtualBox 7.0 and just don't type anything. Just wait till it load up and we can see the windows right here. So it's currently loading up again. Still the same, just wait for a couple of minutes or seconds. And here we go. We can see the VirtualBox 7.0 again. Just don't click anything or type anything. Just wait till it load up, just like what we did earlier. So in here we can see the customize settings.
Good day, sir. I'm Julian Nanette. My part is to set a password for the built-in administrator account that used to sign into this computer. Type the password and confirm. Re-enter the password and confirm again. Then click finish. Wait for a moment for the finalizing of the settings. Then click input, keyboard, Ctrl-Alt-Delete, type the password, and confirm the password, then enter. Wait for a while to display the windows of the server. Click yes.
We are now going to change our computer's name. So first, click local server. Click the computer's name, which is Win3H etc. Click change. And change the name into Gamboa. Click OK. Click OK. Close. And then restart now to see changes. So after restarting, let's check if the computer's name has already changed. Click local server. We can now see that the computer's name has successfully changed into Gamboa.
The network sharing and the firewall. So first, just click this Windows Defender firewall. This public one. Then this the main network. And turn off the Windows Defender firewall. Then back. Then close. Then next for sharing. just click Windows, then Settings, then search Sharing, and click this Manage Advanced Sharing Settings. Then just turn off everything. Here also, turn off. Here, all networks, just turn off. And just remain turn on the password protected sharing. Then click Cancel. Then close. And then go to search bar. And search for Windows Defender Firewall. Then click this Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And just turn off everything, both private and public. Then click OK. Then close. And that's all for network sharing and the firewall. Thank you.